Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series. Guys, this is a special series, a new series and one of a kind series. And this series is called C++ coding in Arduino Mega Zero to Hero, absolute Zero to Hero series. Guys, there are tons and millions of tutorials on the internet today. You search for C++ programming, you search for Arduino programming, there are millions and millions, right? However, in this particular series, the specialty is this is specially designed for a non-technical or a non-computer background folks with absolute zero knowledge in programming and zero knowledge about microcontrollers or zero knowledge in any of the electronics or embedded boards, circuit boards, right? And this series is also intended for enthusiastic students or hobbyists to refresh their basics with Arduino. You can always go back. You need to refresh your basic skills. Sometimes it is a must, right? And you can also get to know the basics of microcontrollers and sensors and very quickly and get started with building some prototypes with a very basic level of investment, that is your Arduino Mega, right? So this is the board Arduino Mega we will be using across throughout this particular series, right? So guys, you would have noticed my parallel series which I am running, right? Robotics and artificial intelligence using Jetson Nano, building an autonomous bots, and also a parallel series on machine learning. So this Arduino series, over a period of time, this is going to be interconnected with your Jetson Nano autonomous robot series, where we are trying to build a autonomous robot with bunch of artificial intelligence applications, right? We will be integrating Arduino Mega with Jetson Nano to serially communicate, and on top of that we will have ROS sitting and communicating through both the computers. So that's how this is going to work. At the same time, if you follow only Arduino Mega series, that is C and C++ coding series, this particular series, you will get pretty much hands-on from ground zero level. So this series I am going to show what a syntax means, what a loop means, what a for loop means, why full stop, why colon, why curly bracket, why curvy bracket, all sort of things, right? You are going to really enjoy and make sure that you have your Arduino Mega. Now you might even use Arduino UNO or Arduino Nano, which is pretty small and very low cost. However, there is a specific reason why I chose Arduino Mega, because there are multiple input output pins in this, and we will be using this board with our Jetson Nano when we are building autonomous robot, right? And there are multiple outputs here. In Arduino UNO, there is a limitation in terms of number of digital pins and analog pins, right? So in this Arduino Mega, we have ton loads of output pins. So that's why I chose Arduino Mega. And to learn C++ programming using Mega, it's more convenient, fast, quick and easy, right? So guys, let me just show you some high level architecture of how Arduino Mega is all about. And let me just, this is the high level drawing, right? So you can see the number of pins here. All these are the digital pins, basically the digital pins, and there are also IO pins here. And if you look at the drawing, the circuit drawing which I try to explain with the pop-up the text, so you can refer to that and you can compare this is your main chip, this is your main Arduino chip, and this is your serial port which will be connected to your either you'll be connecting to your Jetson Nano, or in this particular series you will be basically connecting to your computer so that you can learn C++ coding. And this is your power adapter, external power jack. We may not use this for time being. We will just connect this to our USB port, and I will walk you through multiple lessons of programming. Alright, this is the reset button, and you can go through, there are pin drawings, and I will share a couple of pin drawing details in my GitHub account below the description of this particular video. you may take a look, but you may also look at the drawing which is just above this video, this particular drawing. So you will get an idea about how this board is and how it looks like and kind of thing. Of course, there is a detailed drawing here. If you look at the drawing above me, right above me, this is the same board I'm using, except the color of the board might change, which depends upon the manufacturer to manufacturer, but the architecture and the pins and the entire functionality is 100% same. There is no difference at all. All right, guys. So guys, I'm gonna be back very soon with you, and we will just make sure you have this board ready with you. In case if you do not have this board or you cannot afford, at least try to get an Arduino UNO, because this is going to be a lengthy series, and I can guarantee you guys, if you start this series from the day one, you will learn in and out of C++ programming, and you are going to have a lot of fun over a period of time to build robotics applications. C and C++ is the most important programming language to build any kind of robots. Of course, I use Python a lot. That is because I use Jetson Nano, right? So I build a couple of AI applications and import certain libraries and stuff, so it's pretty easy. But the actual communication when you're connecting both Arduino and your let me show you here. When you're connecting both Jetson Nano and Arduino to make an autonomous bot, C++ is the key element, the key program. So you got to learn both Python and C program. Do not worry, guys. People who are from non-computer background and non-programming background, this is the right platform. I am going to show you one by one. Look, my goal is clear, guys. We need to make a dent in our educational system, right? Just recall what Albert Einstein says. Education is not about learning of the facts from books, but the training of the mind to think, right? So our vision, my personal vision, is to attract young students at an early stage in their school level who are really passionate and enthusiastic to learn robotics, right? Or IoT or artificial intelligence, but they do not know how to start, from where to start, and who's going to guide them. So our vision is to train those students, their mind to think logically and make them the innovators of the future. This is what my mission is towards, and it might take some time, and we are going to make loads of more and more videos, parallel series and kind of thing. Do please subscribe, give me a like, thumbs up, and I'm going to be back soon with the lesson number 1. This is lesson 0. This is just an introduction about the series, and I'm going to be back with lesson number 1 very soon. Until then, bye bye.